right. This is the elevator at Belk, Old Montgomery. It just got fixed. Let's listen to it.
G-pitch motor.
Listen.
Very smooth.
Yep, we got here just in time. It was literally broken. Now let's listen to it going down. Oh, they literally just fixed this elevator. It was literally broken, and they literally just fixed it. So that's a nice elevator.
That was pretty good.
And it will close up. I hope it just didn't die again. Nope, there it goes.
There we go.
That'll be it. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.